What's up, family? We back with another one. And today, taking this baby. We're gonna head to the junkyard, man. So let's take off, man. And we're gonna go pick up Jeff. And then the junkyard's about 30 minutes from Jeff's house. So this is a test. This is a test, man. Is she gonna make it or not? So let's get her crunk up, warmed up, and then we'll start heading to Jeff's house. I'll cut you on when we get there.
You just,
Yeah, say what's up, man.
hey, what's up, man? You know what I'm saying? CGE, you know what I'm saying? Another day, you know what I'm saying?
Junkyard.
Junkyard.
How long has it been?
You been out here?
Yeah.
I would say at least a couple years, probably.
A couple years.
Last time we came, we wasn't able to get nothing, so that's why I told.
Oh no, actually that's true. We did view the yard before. Like this is the yard right here. But we ain't get nothing.
Nah, we couldn't.
Even though we did need shit at the time.
Good thing is just the first day. So
It is.
It ain't like fully ran.
No, I'm glad we agreed on Friday.
Yeah.
The first day it started, cause I can't believe that parking lot set full.
Bro.
There she go. So a few things I'm looking for is relays are gone. I need the AC control. The dash is missing. That's really what I needed. Some miscellaneous parts. Definitely this. This one's in 10 times better condition than mine. Maybe some simple little pieces like these. I needed these, but those are missing. Got the switch panel covers. I definitely need this. Probably take that too. Need the washer bottle. So Jeff need a bumper. And this one's cracked. So we need to find him a different one. It is better, but I don't like the fact that this right here is cracked.
But they have 4 of them, so that's why I was looking.
It took all the damn relays.
Yep. Fire. Oh, yeah, they was in the trunk.
They were in this car. And
Okay.
I found the airbags of this. Taking the whole car.
Oh yeah, the thing.
What thing?
The bolt. That bolt, remember?
Oh, the one that go up in there?
Yeah.
Oh, the fun one. Gotcha.
I just told her I'm just happy she didn't fuck up the radio. That's really all I care about. Y'all like, at least you can drive it still.
All right, so it looked like some 7s or some 8s.
Try this what we had.
Wait, real? Are you the one in your car is
The one in my car is like silver or something. I think.
silver.
I should do black.
I don't know what's the color. The color is over there, black.
Yeah. So we'll leave the black. Leave the black. Cause it is
Can't
silver.
keep this one because it's broke.
Yeah, no. But I was saying probably just the black. The other one I think is like a different. It's the upper model, so it's a different.
That'll work.
Hell yeah. Get the job done.
Yes, sir. All right, now we can leave this bumper. Go take the other one off.
Yep.
good bumper.
Yeah.
It's a good bumper. Got the grill. You need the trim. But now that we did this once, it should be easy, right?
I think so. Hopefully, in theory.
In theory, that's how it works.
Oh, that's off.
Yeah, I already got the bolts already off on that side. All the top's good. We just need to undo the bottom, and it should just pop off.
I already did undo the bottom.
Oh, you already did the bottom?
Screws out. I did this a couple times.
It's like we're professionals now, huh?
We should be. As many times as I did this motherfucker.
Alright, we gotta be careful with this one.
Yeah.
But that's the life of, I guess being a parent, ain't it?
Yeah. Honestly.
It's crazy saying that. It's like, yeah, that's just the life of being a parent.
Yep. Then you do it multiple times, you be like, Jesus Christ. And they be like, oh, all the kids act different. You be like, what?
Well, you're gonna double down, aren't you?
Yeah, but I just don't want to do it right now, bro. I just want to really stabilize our life, like, fully first before we just do that whole process.
We keeping this piece, right? Yeah. The other one bad.
Yeah.
So we keeping this piece. We just taking this out.
Yep.
And then putting the other one on.
There we go. Yep.
Solid. Damn, this one. Okay, they both feel the same. Feel that? I feel like that. I'm tripping.
Yeah, that's the same.
Okay, I'm tripping.
No, I get what you were trying to go get with.
All right, family. So this is the haul from the junkyard, man. And as you see, we cut pretty far away. The camera died at the junkyard. So just to recap, Jeff got the bumper he needed. I was able to pick up all these parts here. I think what we'll be installing today will be this switch panel, this here, and possibly one of the switches off of here. Everything else will go in storage until it's ready to be reupholstered or painted the new color of the interior of the vehicle. So let's cut to that, man, and let's get one of these things put in. problem with this one. It's the one from the Junkyard. Perfect. Everything is installed. Shit. That's the Junkyard video, man. You seen me put in the door controls, the AC controls, the washer bottle underneath the hood, and basically that's most of the stuff that we got from the Junkyard. We also got the center console, and I got the passenger door panel, but we're gonna paint that before we put it back in. So look out for that video. In a couple weeks, I got another special video for y'all coming out, so just wait on that one. But for now, like, comment, subscribe, and we out. Peace, man.